Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of the Ford Aeromax, which I have just got today. I got it off of eBay from a company called Time Tunnel Models. I only ordered it yesterday and it came today. Postage really quick. So let's have a look inside. Paperwork. Right, so we've got the bumpers and the floor panels, the cab, interior, fifth wheel and servo stuff, rear wheels, roof and side panels, lenses, decals, and manual. Ooh, 2 side rails, 2 frame rails or chassis rails, chrome bits, the stacks, front grille and air tanks. That is rear suspension and chassis members, battery holder, fifth wheel plate, windows, that's gearbox and rear axle, and fuel tanks. And in the box we get eight tyres, they're the chassis parts, cross members by the fifth wheel, bag E, bag F, bag C, gearbox gears and selectors, bag A, bag B, front wheels, bag D, the motor, just a normal silver can 540, thread lock, front wheels, and for extras on this I am using a Fly Sky FSI6 6-channel radio, and I have already altered the throttle so they all centre. The parts we got off of eBay for that. I have the metal plated gearbox covers, a 55 turn motor, two Savox servos, electronic speed controller for the moment, but I will be putting in the MFU, and last but not least a full set of roller bearings. So I will be making this up. I will do it in parts. I don't know how long it'll take. I've never done one of these. I've done the cars and the pickup trucks because I've got 7 in all of them, and this is the first lorry. So we will see how it goes. Right, thank you for watching. Subscribe and press the bell if you want to see as this carries on. And press like or dislike. Thank you.